And the race is on. Black Tulip was left behind. Entry number 5, Prayer of Hope, leading the pack by Sam 2 lengths, followed by Headspin. Hoy, tama na is racing in third by Daryl Embraceable. And Kiss Me Gently, Phil's Game is the early trailer. Prayer of Hope by Sam 4 lengths, followed by Hoy. Tama na alongside 1A Headspin, 1 Embraceable Racing in fourth. Kiss Me Gently, Phil's Game. Last 650, Prayer of Hope by 2 lengths, followed by Hoy. Tama na, 1A Headspin down on the inside, Braceable, and Kiss Me Gently, Phil's Game. Rounding the far turn, Prayer of Hope by only 2 lengths. Hoy, tama na. Head spin, getting closer in third. And running down on the inside, Embraceable, Kiss Me Gently, Phil's Game. As they race the final corner, Hoy! Tama na is now the leader. Prayer of Hope. Head spin from the outside. Phil's Game, Kiss Me Gently, Embraceable. And nearing the finish line. Hoy! Tama na. This time by Sam 2 lengths, followed by Prayer of Hope. Head spin, Phil's Game down on the inside. And nearing the finish line. Hoy! Tama na. Second. Phil's Game, close, Prayer of Hope, head spin. Kiss Me Gently, Embraceable, Black Tulip.